everyone. I wanted to thank you for all your patience these last couple weeks and your interest in active coral restoration. I think it's been great to hear all of your questions and feedback from the videos. And so this week I thought it might be fun to change it up a bit and give you some activities that I've been doing that are not CRF related, but still you can do in the Keys if you're active and interested. The first organization you're going to see is Reef.org, and they focus mostly on taking fish surveys and monitoring fish down in the Florida Keys. And I had the opportunity to do a lionfish dive with them. And lionfish are beautiful, but they are an invasive species in the Florida Keys. And with a permit, you're allowed to catch them and go ahead and eat them. They're actually pretty delicious. And so you'll see a dive that myself and some of the CRF members were able to do, where we went out looking for lionfish. And then the second thing is the History of Diving Museum, which is quite a gem down here and a fun museum to visit if you get the chance. And they allowed us to do a vintage dive in which I was able to dive a regulator from the 1960s. And so you're going to see some of the differences I'll point out on that regulator, as I was able to experience what it was like to just use some equipment that was before the convenience of the equipment we have today. So enjoy, and let me know if you have any questions, and I'll talk to you again soon.
As you can see here, is most commonly thought to have a second stage in the mouthpiece like modern regs, but it doesn't. The second stage is actually in the can right here, and the first stage is right here. That confuses a lot of people, but after you learn it, it's no big deal.